Blockchain and AI are interrelated, but how? And what is the future of this technology when some call it a scam, while others think they can make a fortune out of it? So today, I'm gonna solve all puzzles once and for all. Let's jump in, shall we? First things first, let's not mix up blockchain with cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Since we live in a world where data is the new currency, and trust is often elusive, and where innovation knows no bounds, this technology promises to become the new savior. One is a digital ledger that promises transparency, security, and decentralization. The other benefit of this technology is its capability of learning, adapting, and evolving. The field of artificial intelligence is taking the world by storm, but many people have found themselves looking up at the sky wondering where all the rain came from. Those who didn't realize the place AI already has now held in our everyday lives are having a hard time understanding what further advancements mean for society as a whole. Wrapping your head around the technology itself is a challenge for most, but it gets even more complicated when broken down. No longer are people just using the umbrella term artificial intelligence. They are saying narrow AI, superintelligence, and artificial general intelligence. Companies are using the terms machine learning and deep learning when explaining the technologies they have incorporated to streamline their business practices. But the impact of AI does not stop with the metaverse. It has already been proven that AI has the potential to revolutionize various fields, from marketing to finance. As exciting as it may be, the popularity of this technology now poses a rather significant question. As it becomes more advanced and more desired by the public, it also becomes more expensive, enhancing the risk of centralization. This collective concern has created a new buzzword: decentralized AI. On the other hand, centralization is not inherently a bad thing, but it does pose some issues where AI is concerned. When only a small number of organizations can afford to use the technology, they would be able to control how the technology advances, risking it becoming everything many people fear it to be. If we keep developing artificial intelligence behind closed doors by corporations that use it for marketing, military, or centralized finance, which basically means killing people more efficiently, selling you stuff you don't need, this is like making the rich richer, and the next artificial intelligence will probably reflect those same kinds of values, right? In contrast, decentralized AI could allow individuals to have more of a say in the products they use, while having a broader range of models to choose from. Decentralized AI could incorporate blockchain technology, which already has a reputation for security and transparency. Co-founder and CEO of Ticket Meta, Anna Ivanchenko, stated that the blockchain technology is a safe and open system for monitoring information and ensuring it stays unaltered. The purpose of it is to foster credibility and trust. People prefer public blockchains because they are often governed by the community and not a central authority. Code becomes law and adds a level of fruitlessness that is not seen in other industries. According to CoinGecko, there are already more than 50 blockchain-based AI companies, with many people expecting this number to grow exponentially over the coming years. Companies such as Render, Fetch.ai, and SingularityNet have led the change in 2023. People having a say is the main differentiating factor between centralized and decentralized AI. With centralized AI, the average user has negligible influence over how the AI models function. Encouraging the community to take part in the development and direction of AI, allowing them to influence where it goes and what it does, will likely play a significant role in easing their concerns. Decentralized AI could very well make people more comfortable with AI as a whole, easing the transition of the technology into one that we use every day. Of course, it's never easy with new tech, and decentralized AI is no exception. It shares a common challenge with centralized AI, namely the black box problem, which involves a lack of transparency in how AI models operate and reach conclusions. Now, you must be thinking, what are the benefits of decentralized AI? Decentralized AI enhances security in several ways. For example, by leveraging blockchain technology, it offers encryption and immutability, ensuring that data remains both secure and unchanged. It can proactively detect anomalies or suspicious patterns in data, acting as an early warning system against potential breaches. The need for decentralization arises from its inherent design. Instead of having a single point of vulnerability, data is distributed across multiple nodes, making unauthorized access or tampering significantly more challenging. Decentralized AI is championing the cause of transparency and trust. In a world that's becoming more data-driven by the day, traditional AI systems often suffer from opaque decision-making processes, raising trust and accountability issues. However, decentralized AI systems like SingularityNet stand out with their inherent transparency, recording recording every transaction and decision on the blockchain. Besides this, decentralized AI provides hope of solving the aforementioned black box issue because of the inherent transparency that comes with blockchain technology. The convergence of AI and blockchain technology has produced several practical benefits. Blockchain technology allows for the safekeeping of patient records in the healthcare industry. If they are permitted access, medical practitioners may learn valuable lessons from the patterns mined by AI in this data. Remarkably, their combined use has enabled the healthcare sector to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. One forward-thinking example is Burst IQ, a blockchain-based startup that offers data solutions for the healthcare sector and offers a health wallet using blockchain technology, AI, and big data to handle patient data. Medical providers may access patient health data via the wallet whenever needed. Increased transaction speeds and mutual trust are two ways in which merging these two technologies is revolutionizing the financial services sector. There are notable differences between blockchains and AI from a technological standpoint, yet these two technologies can be combined to address each other's weaknesses. Integrating AI with a blockchain has been claimed to have far-reaching implications in fields as diverse as 6G networks, smart cities, banking, and driverless cars. Estimates suggest several potential benefits of combining AI with blockchain. Without relying on a centralized authority or intermediaries, this enables the safe and reliable distribution of large data sets for analysis, learning, and decision-making among many parties. Several new and useful large-scale applications may potentially emerge as a result. As a consequence of a blockchain's capacity to ensure the veracity of data, it may be used to store both the inputs and outputs of AI systems. In the span of a few years, cryptocurrencies have grown from digital novelties to trillion-dollar technologies, with the potential to disrupt the global financial system. Bitcoin and hundreds of other cryptocurrencies are increasingly held as investments and used as currencies to buy a swathe of goods and services, such as software, digital real estate, and illegal drugs. Cryptocurrencies are a democratizing force, wresting the power of money creation and control from central banks and Wall Street. Critics, however, say that a lack of regulation for cryptocurrencies empowers criminal groups, terrorist organizations, and rogue states, while the assets themselves stoke inequality, suffer from drastic market volatility, and consume vast amounts of electricity. Regulations vary considerably around the world, with some governments embracing cryptocurrencies and others banning or limiting its use. As of February 2023, 114 countries, including the United States, are considering introducing their own central bank digital currencies to compete with the cryptocurrency boom. But what challenges has this created? Cybercriminals have increasingly carried out ransomware attacks, by which they infiltrate and shut down computer networks and then demand payment to restore them, often in cryptocurrency. Drug cartels and money launderers are also increasingly incorporating virtual currency into their activities. According to the U.S. Drug Enforcement Agency's most recent annual assessment, U.S. and European authorities have shut down a number of so-called darknet market websites where anonymous individuals can use cryptocurrency to buy and sell illegal goods and services, primarily narcotics. Critics say these enforcement efforts have fallen short, exemplified by the theft of over $1 billion in cryptocurrency by a North Korean hacking group in 2022. The primacy of the US dollar has provided the United States unrivaled power to impose crippling economic sanctions. However, states including Iran, North Korea, and Russia are increasingly using cryptocurrency to evade US sanctions. Meanwhile, terrorist groups such as the self-proclaimed Islamic State, Al-Qaeda, and the military wing of the Palestinian organization Hamas also traffic in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin mining is an enormously energy-intensive process. The network now consumes more electricity than many countries. This has sparked fears about the cryptocurrency's contribution to climate change. Cryptocurrency's proponents say this problem can be solved using renewable energy. Environmental concerns reportedly prompted Ethereum's move to a proof-of-stake model, which uses less energy. Lastly, China, which accounts for most of the world's Bitcoin mining, has moved aggressively to crack down on cryptocurrencies. In September 2021, Chinese authorities announced a sweeping ban on all crypto transactions and mining, causing the price of some cryptocurrencies to fall sharply in the immediate aftermath. Subscribe to this Innovella for more blues from the world of AI. Many of the best videos I have ever created are currently popping up on your screen. Therefore, click right away, and I'll see you there shortly.